All right, real quick project. I don't know if anyone has one of these. Sonos Move. Love the speaker. Super versatile. I can take it out anywhere. But you should also consider an alternative. If you've got a space you go to frequently, a pool area, etc., an outdoor speaker system can be a great addition. I'm going to walk you through a real quick project that we just did, and we'll show you what we set up. Starting point of our project, we've got a poolside pergola. We're going to open this up, and inside we just have jammed in here a little Bluetooth amp and transmitter. So this is what's powering our speakers with its power supply tucked in. And that's a BT20 from Fosse. And then we've got our cabling running up, outdoor speaker wire. So it's going to brave the elements, coming over into some Polk Atrium 6s. I got to be honest, these things sound great so far. Unfortunately, I cannot have them playing music while I'm recording from my phone. Otherwise, I would have this in the background. But just a nice quick setup, clean up on the wires, and then just tucking into the back here using some right angle banana hooks, banana plugs. We're going to see how those last with the elements, because this is obviously not fully covered. Ideally, you would want to set this up, and you can see the second speaker over there. You'd want to set this up where you have the speakers under an awning, but we don't actually have a solid surface. And they do work, they still function out, even though there's only just a little screen top, so they are going to get wet, but it shouldn't be a problem. Afternoon of work, get this all installed. Really, definitely a project you can do on your own, but if you want to forego the work, call in the professionals, call Space Cadets if you're looking for some help. But it's a great system. This is a common gathering space. Folks love to get out here, and now they've got a great sound system that everyone can use from their phones. That's it. Simple setup, easy install. Get these in, look real nice, and it's a great setup for outdoor audio. So definitely would recommend the Atrium 6s. All you need for this: drill, screwdriver, a few very basic tools, and you can do this. So go out, get working.